The Tavala Smart Oven 5-in-1 Air Fryer Toaster Oven combo is designed to simplify meal preparation without sacrificing flavor. Whether you're in the mood for air frying, baking, broiling, reheating, or toasting, this versatile oven delivers top-tier results. Equipped with smart technology, it automatically combines cooking modes to ensure every meal is cooked to perfection, all with the push of a button. With over 30 options each week, prep time is a breeze, taking just 1 minute. The meals cook in 25 minutes or less, offering gourmet experiences without the hefty price tag. The OYO Gym offers a breakthrough in portable fitness, providing an all-in-one solution to build muscle and burn fat effectively. Weighing only 2 pounds, it features up to 25 pounds of resistance per hand, making it ideal for strength training and cardio routines, whether you're at home, in the office, or on the go. This innovative design targets your chest, back, arms, core, abs, and legs, with an emphasis on functional movement and muscle balance. NasoCalm introduces a groundbreaking solution to nasal congestion with its innovative EMS massager, designed to bring relief and comfort in just moments. As the world's first EMS nasal congestion relief device, it uses electrical muscle stimulation technology to gently massage the nasal passages, promoting airflow and freeing up blocked airways. Its unique design ensures it's suitable for all face shapes, providing a personalized fit for anyone. With 5 adjustable levels, users can tailor their experience to their preferred intensity, achieving optimal results. Whether trekking the Rockies or navigating a rain-slick sidewalk, your dog deserves gear that adapts. Built to replace every other harness in your closet, this all-in-one system balances rugged durability with practical, everyday use. Rain or shine, trail or pavement, this harness delivers. It's more than just a harness. It's a crash-tested seatbelt restraint, a weatherproof hiking backpack, and a ready-to-deploy rescue system. Designed with input from real dog owners, it responds to real-world needs, from controlling enthusiastic pullers to providing safety in high-speed travel. A clean start should never depend on location. Whether you're waking in a tent beneath mountain stars or prepping for a boardroom in a high-rise, the Uplang electric portable toothbrush ensures you're always ready. Weighing just 3.1 ounces and measuring under 7 inches, this compact powerhouse slips into any carry-on, day pack, or desk drawer without compromise. Its precision-engineered sonic motor delivers up to 38,000 brush strokes per minute, cutting through plaque while being gentle on enamel and gums. Samsung's latest innovation redefines how we interact with screens. The Premier 5 is a compact, ultra-short throw projector designed to create immersive, touch-enabled 100-inch displays from just 17 inches away. Whether angled toward a wall, table, or floor, it transforms any surface into a workspace, entertainment center, or gaming arena. Armed with an infrared laser module and camera, the Premier 5 transforms ordinary tables into giant interactive touchscreens. Precision meets immersion in the Varjo XR4, redefining how professionals interact with virtual and real environments. This mixed reality headset delivers 28 million pixels through revolutionary full-dome aspheric lenses, ensuring unmatched clarity across an effective field of view that's 50% larger than its predecessor. Whether you're simulating surgical procedures or designing in CAD, every line and contour is rendered with industrial-grade color accuracy and 200 nits of brightness. Whether you're battling a dead battery or clearing crumbs from tight corners, this powerhouse tool meets the moment. The Dustbuster X is engineered as a complete vehicle companion, integrating raw suction force, essential emergency tools, and mobile convenience in a rugged, travel-ready form. The versatile air pump inflates tires, sports gear, and air mattresses up to 120 psi, while the Jump Starter revives 12 V-car batteries in seconds. No cables or second vehicle required. Packed inside a sleek, travel-friendly form, the HiDock H1 transforms your workspace into an AI-powered command center. This 8-in-1 future-proof docking station doesn't just connect, it elevates. Every meeting, brainstorm, and voice memo is auto-recorded, transcribed, and neatly summarized with lightning-fast precision thanks to integrated GPT-4.0 AI. No button mashing or post-call scrambling. It's 100% automatic. Record, transcribe, summarize. The Kosori electric gooseneck kettle blends advanced functionality with sleek design, making it an essential tool for those who value precision in their brewing routine. With a 0.8-liter capacity, it efficiently meets the needs of pour-over coffee enthusiasts. Its 1200-watt heating element ensures quick boiling while maintaining accuracy to within plus or minus 1 degree Fahrenheit, thanks to an intelligent base with a built-in temperature control program. Gone are the days of awkward setups and clunky gear. The Lawn Chariot transforms how you approach outdoor lounging and gear hauling with a smart, compact design that moves when you do. With its fold-and-go structure, this versatile tool adapts to your needs. Built for portability, it folds down fast and fits neatly in your trunk. As a wagon, it hauls coolers, chairs, and more across grass, sand, or pavement with ease. When it's time to relax, flip it into a sturdy, ergonomic chair designed for comfort without compromise. Transform your training space with a smart bench that adapts to your goals. The Gym Pad bench compresses full gym functionality into a foldable, low-profile design that fits easily in apartments, home offices, or spare rooms. Its compact size hides serious power, offering up to 176 pounds of adjustable resistance for progressive strength workouts without clutter. Engineered as an all-in-one system, this bench supports a wide range of exercises including flat, incline, and decline presses, rowing motions, and core training. For those seeking a unique blend of comfort and functionality, the Lounge Workspace is the perfect office chair for home environments. Designed to support extended hours of work, this chair offers flexibility that traditional office chairs cannot. Whether you need to stay alert or take a break, the Lounge Workspace provides 2 adjustable recline options, semi-reclined and fully reclined. The semi-reclined position, which tilts the backrest to a comfortable 120 to 135 degrees, strikes the perfect balance for productivity. Running a seamless stream demands precision and the right gear. The Razer Stream Controller is engineered for creators who need full control at their fingertips. With a streamlined design built for efficiency, this all-in-one keypad enhances your ability to multitask across programs without losing focus. 12 customizable haptic switchblade keys give you endless macro possibilities. Adjust the tactile feedback to your preference and assign personalized icons so you never lose track of your workflow. The BenQ GV50 laser portable projector delivers a versatile and immersive viewing experience. With a 500 lumen output, it ensures sharp visuals in various lighting conditions, making it perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. Native 1080p resolution, combined with 4K support guarantees vivid and clear image quality, enhancing your movie nights or presentations. The projector comes with a tripod base, making it easy to set up and position for optimal viewing. In the ever-changing rhythm of urban streets, protection and intelligence must ride hand in hand. Enter Lumos Nixel, a revolutionary e-bike helmet engineered for riders who demand more than just safety. But Nixel isn't just bright, it's brilliantly aware. Integrated with Quinn-powered crash detection, this helmet becomes your silent guardian. It automatically senses impacts and can alert your emergency contacts instantly. The 10-4 Tech provides a versatile solution for those needing reliable, organized gear storage and easy accessibility. With its bucket-style access, you can reach into any section with ease, allowing for quick retrieval of equipment or supplies. Its 360-degree reach makes it incredibly efficient, ensuring that every part of the pack is within arm's length. This design also supports an ultra-organized setup, giving you dedicated compartments for different items. The grab-and-go handles allow for quick lifts. The Wainlux Z5 is a versatile and compact handheld laser engraving and cutting machine designed for precise DIY creations. Equipped with a powerful dual light source 5-watt laser, this machine can easily engrave and cut through various materials with exceptional accuracy. Whether you're working with wood, acrylic, leather, or metal, the Z5 offers flexibility for personal projects, making it an excellent choice for hobbyists and professionals alike. Engineered for seamless transitions, the DockBook Vertical Dock reinvents how you use your MacBook Pro with Touch Bar. With a precision-fit enclosure carved from solid machined aluminum, this vertical dock offers more than aesthetics. It's a desktop command center built for speed and efficiency. Once your MacBook Pro slides into place, the DockBook's custom internal electronics instantly redirect all connections to the rear, minimizing cable clutter. Each port supports data transfer rates up to 40 gigabits per second. The Ivation Automatic Rechargeable Wine Opener offers an efficient, elegant solution for wine lovers. This sleek electric cork extractor makes uncorking bottles a breeze, providing convenience with every use. Powered by a high-capacity lithium battery, it effortlessly uncorks up to 50 bottles on a single charge. The LED light indicator adds a touch of sophistication, making it easy to monitor the process. Craving something cold and creamy without the weight or mess? The Dash My Mug ice cream maker delivers single-serve frozen desserts with precision and ease. After freezing the base for 24 hours, you can whip up ice cream, sorbet, gelato, or frozen yogurt in as little as 20 minutes. Just load your ingredients and press start. It's built for convenience and creativity, offering a dedicated ingredient chute that lets you stir in cookies, fruit, or chocolate chips to make each batch uniquely yours. The Halo Falls 3-in-1 waterfall, Bluetooth speakers, and shade lamp is an innovative piece designed to enhance your space with its multifunctional features. This captivating device combines the soothing sounds of flowing water, high-quality Bluetooth speakers, and a soft shade lamp, all in one compact design. The mini waterfall brings a tranquil ambiance to any room, creating a relaxing atmosphere with the sound of gently cascading water. Compact and stylish, this 3-in-1 device serves as both a functional and aesthetic addition to any room. The Hybrid M chair is designed to transform your seating experience into something extraordinary, combining relaxation and productivity in one sleek package. Perfect for gamers and professionals, this chair offers a revolutionary solution to alleviate the aches and strains caused by extended sitting sessions. Incorporating a built-in massage module, the Hybrid M brings immediate comfort with its innovative design. No cords, no limitations, just pure freedom to enjoy a personalized massage experience anytime, anywhere. Whether you're parked deep in the desert or camped by a winding trail, this rugged shower system brings the comfort of home to the wild. Designed for off-grid simplicity, it delivers a powerful waterfall spray with a remarkable 596 square inches of coverage. Enough to rinse off thick mud, salt water, or trail dust in seconds. Activate the flow with a single tap. No fiddling, no hassle. The 5.3-gallon reservoir holds enough for up to 5 full showers, making it ideal for small groups or extended trips. Stargazing just met its next evolution. Whether you're on a rooftop in the city or camping under open skies, Hestia transforms your smartphone into a powerful astrophotography tool. No bulky equipment or rocket science required. Designed with precision and elegance, Hestia reshapes everything you thought a telescope could be. Compact as a 6x9-inch book and feather-light at under 2 pounds, it slips into your bag with ease, ready for adventure whenever you are. Tread redefines portable pizza ovens, offering unmatched mobility and performance. This ultra-rugged, lightweight oven is designed to deliver high-temperature cooking anywhere, whether you're at a campsite, tailgate, or remote destination. With its adventure-ready insulation, Tread ensures that every pizza comes out perfectly cooked, even in challenging environments. The oven pairs effortlessly with the Venture Stand, allowing you to set up an outdoor kitchen wherever your adventures take you. When you're on the move and demand purity with precision, this bottle responds with innovation. Crafted for the forward thinker, it combines intelligent hydration tracking with advanced filtration and self-cleaning power, all housed in a sleek stainless steel body. The built-in essential filter eliminates chlorine, PFAS, and other unwanted elements, leaving you with crisp, clean-tasting water wherever you are. The bottle practically cleans itself so you don't have to. Designed from double-wall vacuum-insulated 1880 stainless steel, your drink stays ice cold for a full 24 hours, no matter the heat outside. Introducing Dolly, the ultimate AI-powered desktop companion that is transforming the way we interact with technology. Designed with precision, Dolly is a cutting-edge open-source robot built on the versatile Raspberry Pi platform. With its innovative open hardware and open design, Dolly offers an engaging and customizable user experience, making it the perfect tool for anyone eager to explore the world of AI and robotics. From the moment it begins to rotate, this globe challenges perception. Nestled within a sculpted helix, it appears to levitate, suspended in motion, defying gravity. What seems physically impossible becomes mesmerizingly real as the globe spins inside its twisting cradle, creating a hypnotic illusion that draws the eye and stirs curiosity. Crafted from premium zinc alloy and polished to a smooth, weighty feel, the structure stands approximately 4 inches tall and 2.3 inches wide. The Roborock Q5 Pro Plus redefines home cleaning with its seamless blend of advanced features, offering a sophisticated solution for effortless floor maintenance. With a self-emptying station and a large 2.5-liter dust bag, this robot vacuum ensures up to 7 weeks of hands-free cleaning, allowing for a consistently pristine home with minimal intervention. Its 5,500 Pascal suction power, paired with dual rubber brushes, tackles stubborn dirt and pet hair with ease. The Samsung BotCare and BotHandy represent a leap in home assistance technology, with innovative features designed to make everyday tasks more efficient. BotHandy stands out with its extendable gripper arm, allowing it to perform tasks like setting the table, loading the dishwasher, or even pouring drinks. Equipped with cameras on both its head and arm, it uses advanced AI to recognize various objects, from large items to small, and assess their shape, size, and weight. Whether you're navigating a crowded train or zoning in at a quiet cafe, the Sony WFC710N earbuds adapt to your environment without compromising clarity or comfort. Designed for audiophiles and daily commuters alike, they integrate advanced noise canceling with dual noise sensor technology to block distractions using dual microphones. This means more focus on music and podcasts, less on outside chatter. Engineered for endurance, the earbuds offer up to 8.5 hours of continuous playback.